Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This is Christina, the human cleric. She was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. As with most of my models, the zenithal highlight is not so much needed, it's just so that I can see detail better while keeping black in the recessed parts, just in case I missed something. I got started with the robes, which I fancy doing blue, so the first colour is night blue. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord where you can share anything you've ever been hobbying on. Next up is ultramarine blue, covering the majority of the robe and just leaving that darker colour in the inside and the areas where there will be shadow. To bring up some of the raised areas, I highlighted them with wolf grey. The last of the highlights is electric blue. This is for the very tops of the raised areas and the edges. Now to bring all the colours together, I gave the robes a wash of blue tone. With the blue now finished, I moved on to doing the straps around her. I went with German camo black brown. This is mostly just to see how it looked, as I've not used this colour before. Getting started with the armour, I used gunmetal for all of it apart from the weapons. For the weapons and some of the details, I grabbed glorious gold, as this goes well with that blue robe. I then got all of the exposed skin and done that with Sunny's skin tone. I wanted her hair to blend in with the overall colour scheme, so I went with a plague brown. Give that sort of browny blondie look. To add some highlight on the skin, I used elven flesh, just to get all those raised areas. For the lantern she is holding, I went for intermediate green light, just to make it pop that bit more against the rest of the mini. Highlighting up the light and give it a bit more of a glow effect, I added Escorpina green to the centre of the lantern. Moving on to the washes, I got started with the armour, giving it an all over wash of dark tone. Next up is the gold and the skin. These are washed with flesh tone. Finishing up the mini, the base gets a once over with black. And that will be it for Christina. Still a simple paint job, but more than enough to look good on the table alongside some other minis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. For those of you who want to pick up some painting supplies, there are affiliate links down below to what I use. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.